Overjoyed to take this opportunity to introduce our chief guest, and we are waiting for your wonderful speech, sir. Kindly share your thoughts and experience.
Good morning, everybody. I think there is some language problem, but maybe I will try. You understand my language, so I have to share my experience with you. This is the very excitement day for everyone. Now, myself Gopal Kundu, chairman of Services Private Limited. I staying in Calcutta. Now, today I am here for you people. And first, I would like to thanks to Mr. James. He is attached with me last 2 years, and he dedicatedly work with the Servicery. And again, I thanks to Mr. Sai Krishna sir and total all team. They are joined with him. Okay, and you are all welcome, heartily welcome to Servicery family. Thank you, thank you. Okay. So, first of all, I have just clear my vision and mission why we are start up this company. Just I tell you very frankly, when I was in 17 years old, that time I was joined in direct selling industry. समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? When I was in 17 years old, that time I was joined in direct selling industry. समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? When I was in 17 years old, that time I was joining in direct selling industry. I was continuing one company 10 or 12 years, okay, and after that I start up this company since 2013 in traditional market, and we came this industry 2018, and from 2018 28th May onward, full time we are planning, we are become a top one company in the direct selling industry. That is our plan and target. So I know here is the lot of members, they have a more than experience in the direct selling marketing. But I just tell you very frankly, we are the first direct selling company. We are the first direct selling company. They are introducing at a time 230 products with the reasonable price, with the buy one get one opportunity. Dear friends, we are not introducing the product, we are introducing the segment. If you go through, there is the health segment. In health segment, there is the juices product. If you go through the morely, there is the drop product, capsule product, powder product, and all kind of product available in our company. The second things, if you go through our product, we are the specialists. Every product, there is the strip format. Right, so everybody they are carried, and there is the reasonable price. There is the only reasonable price, 300, 350 you will pay, will get the 30 capsule, and there is the guarantee within the next or 7 to 15 days you will get the result with the buy one get one opportunity. That is the quality of product. Dear friend, every company they have to plan. They are doing the business, but we are work for the industry, because this is the industry. This is the industry of direct selling industry. If arm members, they are joining with the dream, they can achieve everything and more. Now to the beginning, there is the one program, the first program, there is the one dancing, right? There is the one leg, right? What they will say it? What they will say it? If you go through, he have a two leg, but he is dancing in the one leg. What does that mean? Because if you go through the plan, every company there is the plan, 5 leg plan, but Servicery, one of the company, in single line, you will achieve more. Right? And the second session, Roja, right? Roja film, right? Right? What you feel in this program, in this dancing, there is the one mention. If you have feelings, you dancing anything. Now there is the doll, there is the feeling, and she is her girlfriend, and she entertained to us, right? If you have emotion with the Servicery, with the direct selling, no one can stop your team. That is my commitment. Right, friend? So, everybody they are joining network marketing, but they are not doing networking. If you want to do a success, if you want to become a success, you need an attachment with your company, with your product, with your upline, and with your training system, right? So, I just thanks to Mr. Sai Krishna sir, with a very short period, he achieved the higher level of Crown Ambassador, and not only the yourself, he come with the Crown Ambassador with the team members. So dynamic leadership, You are previously we joined with him, and he, when he was come to Calcutta, he said like to me, sir, you support to me, sir, you support to me, I give you the more business, and today he proven, and today is my commitment on the stage. Today is my commitment on the stage. From tomorrow onward, you cannot feel product problem. I have to start up my own office in Madurai. That is my commitment with the availability of product. Right, friend? So we need a people. They have a team. They have a honesty. They have a dedication, and we need a team. They want to work for the nation. So Sarvasree, it's become a top company within the next 2025, and it's before that, within the next 2023, we are the top 5 company direct selling industry. No one can stop our dream, because Kashmir to Kanyakumari, everywhere, if you see the SHPL. The one thing I just share with you, if you want to become a success in the direct selling industry, if you want to become a successful person in the direct selling industry, the one thing you'll do, you just show the plan. You never stop the plan. When you stop the plan, you feel that your career will be stopped. So you never go to the satisfaction too. Every day morning, you are doing the new prospect. Then you are getting a big success. Right, everybody? And the second thing, if you want to become a success, what is your USP? Your product. If you go through every product, there is my picture, 100% satisfaction. You know the product. It is my challenge. We become a history together. And thank you to all the people. Love you and welcome to you in family. Thank you. I love you.